Welcome to Consumer Pick. The Best Adapter USA is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories in our tech-filled lives, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your device's performance and longevity. Whether you're powering up your laptop for a crucial work project, charging your smartphone on the go, or ensuring your gaming console is ready for action, the adapter plays a silent but vital role in keeping everything running smoothly. With a plethora of options available, from universal travel adapters to high-speed USB-C power bricks, navigating the market to find the perfect fit for your specific needs can feel overwhelming, but fear not, because we're here to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit, designed for the modern traveler. It's your perfect companion for staying connected anywhere in the world. This adapter features multiple ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and a powerful 35W PD USB-C, ensuring all your essential devices like laptops and phones can be charged quickly. Never worry about different outlets again. It comes with adapters for Europe, UK, China, Australia, and Japan, making it truly universal for your global adventures. Keep your valuable electronics safe. It includes built-in surge protection to guard against voltage spikes and a clear LED indicator for voltage status. Designed with travelers in mind, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your bag without adding bulk. A travel pouch is also included for convenience. This adapter is ETL tested and comes with a 2-year limited warranty, offering you peace of mind. It's compatible with electronics and chargers for worldwide voltage. What we like. This adapter is your ultimate travel companion, offering universal compatibility and essential surge protection. If you need to power multiple devices including laptops and phones with fast charging capabilities, this is the one for you. It's perfect for the modern traveler who demands both safety and speed. What people say. The adapter works perfectly for charging my devices. It has a compact design that is easy to carry around. The adapter supports multiple voltage inputs, making it versatile for international travel. Number 4. TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter with 4 USB ports. Never worry about charging your devices again. This universal adapter is your perfect companion for travel, covering over 150 countries worldwide. With 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, you can charge up to 5 devices at once. It's designed to reduce your waiting time and meet all your charging needs. This adapter features 1 AC outlet and 4 USB ports, allowing you to power devices from various countries. It's compatible with most electronics, except those from South Africa. Please note that this is not a voltage converter. Ensure your devices support dual voltage, 100V, 250V, before using it, especially for high-power items like hair dryers. Its compact and lightweight design saves space in your luggage. It's also safe for air travel, featuring dual fuse protection and integrated security shutters for your peace of mind. What we like. This adapter is designed for the globetrotter who needs to charge many devices simultaneously. With 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, it's ideal for families or tech-heavy travelers. If you prioritize convenience and need a compact solution that's safe for cruise ships, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It supports multiple plug types, so it can be used in many countries. The built-in surge protector keeps your devices safe from power fluctuations. Number 3. LENCENT Europe to US Plug Adapter 2-Pack. Heading to the USA from Europe? Don't let incompatible plugs hold you back. This adapter is your perfect travel companion. Charge your smartphone, power your laptop, or use your hair dryer without a second thought. It works with a wide range of electronics. Connecting your devices is as easy as plugging it in. Its compact design won't block other outlets. Enjoy peace of mind with enhanced safety features. It includes child protection and a grounding design for secure use. Remember, this is a plug converter, not a voltage converter. Please ensure your devices support dual voltage ranges before use. You'll receive 2 adapters and a user manual, ensuring you're ready for your trip. What we like. This is a practical solution for anyone frequently traveling between Europe and the US, or for hosting international guests. The child safety and grounding features offer enhanced protection for your devices and family. If you need a reliable, safe, and cost-effective way to use your European electronics in the US, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. The adapter works perfectly with my US devices. It's a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 2. Ceptics Europe to US Plug Adapter, Type B USA. Heading to the USA from Europe, India, or other countries. Our plug adapter is your perfect travel companion. It's designed to seamlessly convert your plugs for use here. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of plugs, including those from Europe, India, Australia, and the UK. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. Rest assured, this adapter is CE certified and RoHS compliant, ensuring safety and quality. It features a grounded 3-prong plug for added security. Experience superior performance with our new conductivity design. The internal metal interfaces ensure better and more reliable power transfer for your devices. With a maximum capacity of up to 3000 watts, it can handle most of your electronic needs. Just remember, it's an adapter, not a voltage converter, so ensure your devices are dual voltage. We stand by the quality of our product. It comes with a lifetime limited warranty, giving you peace of mind for all your future travels. What we like. This adapter is perfect for travelers who need to connect devices from a wide range of countries to US outlets. Its grounded 3-prong design ensures safety and compatibility with more electronics. If you're looking for a durable, versatile adapter with a lifetime warranty for use in the USA, this multi-pack is a solid investment. What people say. The adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It supports multiple voltage inputs, which is convenient for international travel. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. TESSAN Type G US to UK Plug Adapter. Heading to the UK, Ireland, or other Type G countries. This adapter is your perfect travel companion. It's designed to work seamlessly in popular destinations like London, Scotland, and Dubai. Never worry about running out of power again. This compact adapter transforms one UK socket into 4 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports, allowing you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. Our USB ports intelligently detect your devices and deliver optimal charging speeds of up to 3A. It's perfect for keeping your phone, earphones, and tablet powered up on the go. Designed for travelers, this adapter is incredibly lightweight and compact. Easily slip it into your pocket, backpack, or handbag without taking up valuable space. With no surge protection and no cords, this adapter is fully approved for use on cruise ships. Enjoy convenient charging wherever your journey takes you. This adapter is suitable for all your 100V to 250V wide voltage devices. For high-power items like hair dryers, please ensure they also support wide voltage or use a voltage converter. What we like. This adapter is a must-have for anyone traveling to the UK or other Type G countries who needs to power multiple devices. It transforms one UK outlet into 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a compact, cruise ship-friendly solution to keep all your gadgets charged, this is the adapter for you. What people say. The adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It supports multiple plug types, so it can be used in various countries. The build quality feels solid and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.